Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 Renegades game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. After restarting your PS5, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Now hold down the power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings. Now click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Destiny 2 Renegades game and then select restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete game's save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu first. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select Destiny 2 Renegades game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings first and then move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings. Now go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign in to PS5. First go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset the default settings. At last select restore option and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Destiny 2 Renegades game. For that, highlight Destiny 2 Renegades on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Destiny 2 Renegades again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game and the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.